to our factory. Hello guys, today I will introduce our CNC router for you. This machine is 3-axis machine with loading and unloading table, automatic labeling machine. It is very suitable for furniture industry. This is our automatic labeling machine with a loading table. We use Honeywell printer, and it is very convenient to change the stickers. After make label on the panel, the bigger sucking disc can hold the panel to the CNC router for cutting. All famous brand components. For example, the spindle we use Italy HSD air cooling spindle, and the boring unit it is Italy HSD 5+4 boring unit. For the servo motors we use Japanese Yaskawa servo motors, and for the table it is double layer vacuum table. Compared with single layer vacuum table, it has strong absorption to hold the panel on the table tightly. After make labels on the panel, the sucking disc can hold the panel from the loading table to the cutting area, and this one is collecting and pushing system. When you're cutting the panels, it will generate some dust, so this part can collect the dust to the dust collectors. This is the protection devices, laser guard. You can put it like this. When someone enters in this area, the guide laser will send signal to the control system. Then the machine will stop to protect people. After cutting, the pushing system will push the finished panels on the unloading table. Then workers can stand here to select different size panels. As a manufacturer of CNC router, we have been specializing in this industry for over 17 years. Best quality, best service. We are waiting for your inquiry.